was my lifelong goal to become a full-time trainer and assessor, and ETC actually gave me the opportunity to come here and show my skills in training and assessment. First started working in a retail industry like you normally do as your first job, and my boss actually helped me get through a retail qualification, and it was through ETC. So then with the more experience I became manager at the retail organisation, and then I decided to dive into something totally different, which was the training and assessment side of it. The staff are absolutely amazing. Like, they helped me through every single step of my transition from retail into this workplace at ETC. So it's been such an easy transition to actually do this role. Like, I have had no hard times trying to figure out what I'm doing next, or felt like I'm out of place or anything. So it's been really exciting. It's such an achievement to actually be able to work here and say, this is my job, I work at ETC, I'm so happy to be here. So if anyone else is interested in applying, I'd say definitely do it, because it's just such a great place to work.